Alright Vlad, so what are we doing today?
So we are going to lower this car. This
We're gonna lower it.
Audi.
That Audi right there is gonna go down. We are putting some H&R coil springs on it. So this is what it looks like right now. Pretty soon it's gonna be slammed. And then after that we will put some new wheels on it too. So yep. It's an exciting process.
Out here,
These are the springs, huh?
brand new,
Take a look.
fresh package.
Lots of wrapping.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
that's it.
That's what they look like. All right. That must be for the back. So it's gonna be like about between 1.5 to 2.5 inch drop. All right. So we picked up the spring compressors.
Yep, it's a Strat spring compressor.
Right.
So, let's go.
Let's go do this.
And that's it. Here it comes.
Here we have it.
The first one.
The old shot. That's what it looks like. So, all right. So let's get to the new one.
So we compressing the springs.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Here it is. There's the old spring and the old strut, and there's the new one with the new spring. You can see what the difference is between those two. So yeah, we're about to put the first one in. So guys, we installed a spring and it was at factory where honestly it didn't look any different. So right now what we're doing is we're lowering it. Yeah, this is the process. What you gotta do is just spin this nut, big old nut, and the spring gets uncompressed. Alright guys, we got it done. This one probably took about an hour and I'm about to release the e-brake. We'll see how much it drops. So let's see. So looks like we got like about an inch from the tire right there. So that's pretty good. And this is sitting at the lowest level right now. And then the front, ooh, this thing's 0. Negative. Wheels like right there. About right there. So we're like at negative ½ inch on the front. But yeah, it looks a lot better. Looks very nice. What do you guys think? You guys think we should raise it a little bit? And also, what are your guys' opinions on wheels? Because we tried my 19s on here and it looked a little bit small. So we're thinking about 20s. But I don't know, what are your guys' thoughts? Anybody who has a B9 Audi, if you have any wheels in specific that are pretty good, that look good on this car, let us know. We'd like to see what it would be and what it would look like. But other than that, let's take it for a spin, see how it rides, how smooth it is, and hopefully we don't lose the bumper. So now we're cruising. Vlad, what do you say? How do you think it rides? Would you say it's pretty good?
So it handles good. It's a really smooth car.
The only thing is you just got to be very careful because it is sitting pretty low. Got to make sure you take all those bumps at an angle, dips at an angle. Otherwise, you'll lose your bumper. So, but
that's correct.
We're actually really happy with the H&R coil springs. They're really good. Not too bad to install. We'll include the link where you can buy the springs. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, give us a like,
Yep. And see you guys in the next episode.
All right.
Bye.